doing?
Nothing. How many pieces pancake you done after that?
Say that again.
How many pancake you do in one go?
The last batch I made for you,
Yeah.
I got 15, 16, something like that.
Really?
Why have we no teaspoons, dear?
Oh. In mom, one. What's this for dinner tonight?
Chicken.
Chicken with.
Huh?
Chicken with.
Roast chicken.
Roast chicken. Whole chicken?
Huh?
Whole chicken?
Yes,
With Yorkshire.
dear. Yes,
Yay.
dear. Everything else you normally have. Roast potato.
4.
Roast potatoes.
I like 4 Yorkshire.
Yes, I know.
Roast potato. Potato.
Roast potato.
The washing machine is done. Did you put that on spin?
Yes, dear.
Okay, thank you.
Enough. Thank you.
What enough?
Filming.
Huh?
Huh?
No.
No, what are you doing then?
Nothing.
No.
I'm gonna go upstairs to wash mom hair.
No.
I don't know if she want to wash her hair. Have a look. Whoa.
Messy.
Not messy. I'm gonna tidy up your messy stuff. Yeah? We go. Wow. My chef. My handsome chef.
Sure.
Yeah.
Go away. Go away. Go away.
Teach me how to bake.
Go away. Please.
Why?
Look, washing up to be done.
You're not yet finished. I'm gonna tidy up soon. When you finish, yeah? Hi.
Away.
Hi, Leng.
Away.
Love you, Leng.
Away.
No, Leng. I'm watching you.
Look, you're making me make a mess.
No.
Stop it.
Why not? Okay, wow.